fun game.
Let's do it.
Okay. Mishal already knows what the game. I mean, it's not going to be like one of those typical 89 games because Mishal already knows the answers to all of those. But we're going to play. We're going to do 89 questions with you guys. For once, you are on the other end of 89.
I love it.
Hydro's done this before because I've interviewed him before.
Yeah.
But this is going to. I mean, it's kind of rapid fire, but it's also not because I really want real answers
so
coming out of both of
excited.
you, and because I know how competitive she is.
Oh yeah.
Let's
She's
do
probably
it.
going to want to answer first. So, question number 1. If you could switch places for a day, what's the first thing you would do?
I would not care about what tomorrow holds. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna pack my bags because I don't need a I don't need a visa because I've got my French passport. I'm gonna just live it up for one weekend, come back and be like, hey Mish, it was fun, but what's up? That's what I would do.
Oh god, nice.
He's like, oh my god, my biggest nightmare. I would have to plan so many things.
Yeah, exactly.
Like those little bottles and put like things in it and then like pack and all of that.
No, imagine a life where you don't have to think twice about the fact you just pack your bags and you're just out of this country.
Oh, I have
But
to answer this?
yeah, you switching bodies and minds and souls
Dude,
and everything.
I'm gonna like. I would start modeling. I would start my podcast. I would start like being on the screen 24/7, dude. Like, look at the face, bro. Like beauty.
Oh God.
you
Again?
know? But it's true.
I love it.
I would take full advantage.
I love it. But this
Yeah.
also is like an insight. This is
Yeah.
like one of those couples
Yeah.
like fun things where you actually learn so much about
That
each
is
other
true.
from it. And I am the one bringing it to you.
Thank you, now.
If you were both stranded on a deserted island,
Oh.
which one of you would most likely survive?
Oh.
Of course, Hydro.
Dude, I will make
Yeah.
But he will-
He can climb a tree.
Even if I have 10 people. So 12, 13 mein masla ho jayega, but I can handle 10 people. You give me 9 people under me and I will cook, I will make fire, I'll make like...
It's just the two of you.
Yeah, so we're chilling.
But you
It's
know
my
what?
Dream.
No.
It's my
If
dream.
you-
I'll go fishing, I'll make fire.
At least you'll survive by default.
That's exactly
Yeah.
what I
I'll
wanted to
make
say. He just got
tools.
really excited
Yeah.
about what he's gonna do.
Yeah, because it's weird, but I do dream about these things. Where I'm stuck with machine on an island, and like I'm just doing things.
Yeah.
I think I was an island boy.
So he's gonna make
Man.
me survive. But
Yeah.
by default, like obviously like he's the one who's gonna make shit happen.
Yeah.
What
But
am I gonna do?
But you know what? I feel like you're wily enough. You'll figure it out and you'll survive at least a couple of days.
No, and she's
on
very
your
strong
own.
though. वो बोलती
Yeah.
है इस तरह, but
हाँ,
she's
हाँ.
very, very strong. Like,
Strong-willed.
Yeah. She acts like, oh no, this that, but when time comes,
Push
and then,
comes to
yeah,
shove.
she's there. She's
Yeah.
solid, dude. Like at times, to be fair, she's way, way stronger than me, emotionally and like physically.
That's
Okay.
very kind. But again, on a deserted island, how will I cook food?
But सिर्फ वो left right नहीं आता. बस.
Berries.
Very sound.
Berries.
That way I can
Berries.
manage.
If your marriage had a theme song, because obviously I'm 89, this question was gonna come.
I know the song.
I know you. Like,
I
yeah,
know.
you would know.
Shall we do it on a count of 3?
Yeah, let's.
Oh,
do it.
this is
But can we
this is a
just
conversation
start?
that's been had.
No.
No.
But can we start with the name only? Just the name, because I don't know how it starts. So
Okay.
that one.
Okay, fine.
I'll go
I'll
with
tell
the
you
song.
how.
I'll count you in.
Okay.
1, 2.
New York. Oh shit.
Wow! It was something else.
Oh, Rihanna?
No!
What?
In case you didn't know.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. Yeah.
How
sorry.
is Empire State of Mind? Sorry, Empire State of
Mind?
Yeah, 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 it's
Empire State of Mind.
Yeah.
How is that our theme song?
Oh, theme song.
Marriage song.
Oh, the love song.
Like OST to
Oh,
your
I
marriage.
didn't understand. I thought theme song is like the vibe. If we're sitting and what we're listening
Okay,
to.
fair.
Yeah.
So he thinks that that's your
Your
vibe
English
song.
is a bit weak, yeah. Come on. Like if she would have asked what is our love song, then yes, in case you didn't know, for sure. I can't ever forget that because she sent it
that
to
was
me.
the biggest blooper that you
know,
It's not a blooper. It's staying very much
Listen,
in. This was
she
epic.
Sent me that song, and the song is all about in case you didn't know I loved you. In case you didn't know I've never told you I miss you
Okay,
all day.
let me handle the
And
lyrics.
I'm like, oh my God, Mishi, this, that, and next day, ghaib. Like she wasn't there. She wasn't in my life.
Yeah, I broke up with him.
Yeah, I was like, wow, imagine.
And now it's
So I
a
can
marriage
never
song.
forget that song.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was like a theme song of like.
Okay, what defines our relationship?
Yeah, like New York or Rihanna. We love Rihanna. Sorry. Sorry.
Really messed that one up.
Okay, if you could give each other a superpower, what would it be? And how would it benefit your relationship?
For me, it would be to. Okay, so it would be pause right now. Live for as long as you think that you can live here, then begin your life again with your regular routine. So I would give him that time because he struggles a lot with giving himself a break. So what I would do for him is,
Like that pause button.
yes, that pause button that doesn't take away from the 24 hours
Yeah.
of the day, but he
But do
can
you
live
think
his
he's
entire
going
life.
to use that pause button to pause on like all the work and then go and take a little workout in and then come back on pause? And then
Well, it's me giving it to him.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
yeah.
so
And
he
my
can't.
superpower-
So
You
he
tell
doesn't
him
have a
what to
choice.
do, yeah,
Yes.
And my superpower that I would love to have to make our relationship better is to have that destination thing. I do this and we are on a
Teleport.
vacation, this, that, do this, we're back. If I have that, my life is set. You know, if I can take her wherever she wants.
Well, give
Boom,
her
boom.
your French passport and then you can.
We're working on it. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Most excellent.
Most excellent.
If you could challenge anyone, celebrity, musician, friend, whoever, to a dance-off, who would it be, and what dance moves would you guys choose? Because I know neither of you are really dancers.
We don't dance.
I
at all.
cannot
Why this is
dance
gonna
to
be-
save
Bad
my
coordination.
life.
I know.
Yeah.
I can't
Which is
dance
why this
to
would be
save my
fun
life.
for me to know. Would you
Uh,
ever, like, if you could?
Who would I want to dance with?
Hmm.
Uh,
It could be a celebrity, it could be a musician, it could be anybody.
Mishi?
And
Okay,
what kind of a dance would it be?
I would love to. Who would I dance with?
Think about it.
Who dances really well?
He's like, who do I dance with? So those are his
Yeah,
dance
imagine,
moves.
imagine. So definitely a Desi song, right? So this is happening. So it should be Indian, I guess. I don't even know the names now properly, but I
So
really,
be a Bollywood dance.
yeah, Bollywood dance
Yeah.
was really good. At
Favorite
dance.
musician?
No, Bollywood dance. An actor who dances really well is what's his name? Ranveer Kapoor.
Singh.
No,
Ranveer Singh.
No, Ranveer Kapoor. He dances.
He's saying Ranveer Kapoor.
Yeah, I know who you're talking about.
He dances
Deepika's,
really well.
Deepika's husband.
Yes.
Singh.
Yes. Okay,
Yeah.
Sing.
Yeah.
So him.
Yeah,
So
that
I
one.
would.
He's a good dancer.
Yes.
So
but-
you do a dance off with him.
Yeah, why
Oh,
not?
excellent.
Of course.
Dance off with him.
Yeah. My
Why
life
not?
Is set. Exactly.
He'll do these
I'll be
moves.
behind him. जो 10 people
No,
behind him.
behind
so
me.
then-
No,
Off.
you're not.
Dance off.
Dance off, dude.
No, I give up. I cannot. I cannot. I'll start working out in front of him, like doing
Okay.
push-ups and squats.
I'm a terrible dancer. So, dance off, I would never choose anybody better than me because to hell with losing. I'll choose you.
Me?
You said a friend, so I choose you.
Oh my god.
Oh, no, you're not that bad.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Done. You're on. Sarah will choreograph us.
Oh, Sarah.
Oh, man.
All right. Well,
Okay, I take that back. Hold on. I'll do it with Noor.
okay.
Yeah, I think Noor's gonna be. I think
Fun.
both of us will have a great
That
time
would be
dancing.
fun. That would be a fun one.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Noor is a friend, by the way, who also works at 89, and he's
You'll
the
see
one.
him. You'll see him soon.
He's also the one whose voice plays after every hour.
yeah. Trending. The trending.
Trending.
He does
Yeah.
the trending updates. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this has been really fun.
For
Thank
having
I
you.
us.
hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as I
I
did.
loved
I
it.
loved
I
it.
have learned so much more about my friends today.
Yeah.
The things that I genuinely didn't know.
I've actually learned a lot about him also,
That's amazing.
and your
Exactly.
purpose in life.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah.